Season's greetings and happy holidays. My name is Ben and welcome back to the bench for another episode of our 12 Sprues of Kit-mas holiday build series. Today we're going to be moving on here to episode number 6. So let's go ahead and grab the box and let's see what we have in store for us today. So far so good, guys. I'm having a ton of fun on these models. We are officially at the halfway point, so this is actually pretty cool. Let's punch on through here and fish around a little bit. I'm hoping that this particular model won't be too bad, but you never know. Just go ahead and grab that label, pull it out, and let's go ahead and see what we have in store for us on this episode. Take off the tape. And looks like, okay, it is the F4 Phantom. All right, so this kit I've been a little bit apprehensive to build, but let's go ahead and give it a try. This is the Minicraft Kit 1144 scale F4 Phantom 2, and I'm not exactly thrilled about this particular model because it's Minicraft is going to be difficult to build, but we're going to try it out. Upon opening the box, you're greeted with a couple of sprues, nothing too fancy. The parts don't look that great. The moldings are a little bit iffy. We've got raised panel lines. I don't know. The fit looks okay, not great. We have one-piece wings. I don't know. We're going to just jump in here, guys. We're not going to waste any time. I'm going to go for an ornament for this one. So we're just going to build it up, go ahead and prime it and paint it, get this thing glossed, get ready for decals. Hopefully it doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult to assemble. So I think we can just get in there, get it done, and see what we can do. All right, let's go ahead and get this party started. Let's build us a Phantom. And we are back. So far, so good. We've actually painted up the model. The model does not fit very well. There are fit issues all over the place. There's basic shape issues as well. But, I mean, it is what it is. It's 1/144 scale. It's very reminiscent of some of the early builds I did on 12 Sprues. A couple of those were really difficult to build. Did not look anything like the actual aircraft. This at least looks moderately like a Phantom, so not too bad. But we're going to move on to decals now. We got everything painted in that very typical SEA camo. So we're going to move over to decals. And these decals, I have absolutely no faith in these decals. but we're going to try them. I do notice on this big one especially, it's probably going to crack and separate on us. But we're going to go ahead and keep on keeping on, and we're going to jump in there to our next time lapse, hit decals, and then we're going to top coat it with flat. I'm not going to worry too much about doing anything fancy with this because it's raised panel lines, and I just kind of want to build it and get it up on the tree. So let's go ahead and jump in there, do one last time lapse. Let's wrap it up, see what we can do. Now, all right, everybody, we are all finished up with day number 6, and the F4 Phantom is done. I'm actually very happy to be finished with it. It's not a terrible kit by any means, but it's not a great kit either. It's probably one of my least favorite kits we've done so far. But let's go ahead and check it out, show you guys the finished product, and here it is. 1/144 scale Minicraft F4 Phantom. Did the tricolor Southeast Asia camo up on top of 2 different greens and a brown. The undersurface is insignia white, so that works out decently. I used mission models and mixture of Vallejo, Tamiya, and Aqueous for the upper colors. The decals did not work very well at all. I had a lot of trouble with most of them, especially the big band going across the center of the fuselage. That broke up into 3 different parts. So yeah, wasn't a big fan of that, but everything else went on okay. And yeah, I mean, honestly, not great, but not terrible. That is it though. We are done, and I am happy to be finished with this particular model kit. We're going to jump over to day number 7. This one built up in about 2.5 hours, so that's actually really, really great. Very close to our previous episode. So until then, you know the drill. Go out there, get yourself some bench time, have some fun, build something cool, and we will see you back here on episode number 7 on the 12 Sprues of Kit-mas. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays and take care.